Hello, everybody. This is Trish from Crazy Engine Treasures, and I got happy mail. Happy mail. This is from my great friend PixieStitch. It came all the way from Alaska. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm trying to open it. She taped it really good. Oh, I like that tape. I do. I like that tape. It's like duct tape, but it's designed like it's got a design on it, which is cool. That is not where I want to go in. There we go. Okay, I'm getting there. Oh, Pixie, you did a really good job taping this, but I got it open. Oh, oh my God. What did you send me, Pixie? Okay, I'm going to put it down here, and we will start with. Okay, I'm having troubles here opening everything. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, oh, I love you, Pixie. I really do. She wrote me a wonderful letter. Um, tells me her beautiful friend. Aw, thank you, Pixie. I love the letter. So, I got some Alaska black tea, forget me not blueberry. Oh, ooh, I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that this afternoon. I don't generally drink tea in the afternoon, but I'm an Alaska black tea, wild rose, red currant. Oh, I love wild rose. I do. So awesome. I love tea. Will you guys get your nose out of my box? Mine, not yours. Sit. Sorry, Gus has to sniff everything that's around me. I mean, seriously, he's got to sniff my clothes in the morning. I love to I love to let him out while I'm still in my jammies, and then go and quickly get changed, get dressed for the day before I let him in, and then go let him in because he stops right there in the middle of the doorway and he sniffs my pants, he sniffs my shirt, he sniffs. He's got to smell everything. It's so funny. And get your nose out of there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, Pixie, I love it. Oh, wow. Look at what she got me. She got me a top, and I'll wear it. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness, I love the bottom. I love the tie dye. I've never had tie dye. And I don't even know how to do tie dye. Oh my goodness, Pixie. That is so me. I'm going to wear that this summer. You watch. I will wear it. Thank you so much. Oh, okay, let's get to this. Oh my goodness. Huh? I got a new tea mug. Oh, is Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that a gorgeous tea mug? Oh, I love that. Oh, I love those northern lights. I grew up in Fort McMurray, Alberta. It's northern Alberta. Um, so northern nights are something I grew up with, and I have northern lights now where I live. They come out too, but I understand that that's not everybody. So I understand there's people who don't get northern lights, and all I can say is pictures don't do it justice. They dance. They dance, they move, they change colors, they shift colors in front of your eyes. It's, if you have a chance to go north somewhere where there's northern lights, go. Go on a camping trip in the summer. Because if you go north enough, you'll still see them. We did. We went camping. When was it? It was the first weekend of the first, well, the last weekend of August, first weekend of September kind of thing. We went camping. Yes, it was chilly. It wasn't as hot as the middle of summer, but it was it was great. We had northern lights every night we were out there. So you don't have to be in winter to have northern lights. Just saying. Ha! I got a hoodie. Look at that. Oh, and it's so soft. It says, "Feel me, I'm super soft." It is. It is super soft. Look at that. I got that. Oh, Pixie, you're spoiling me, hon. You're spoiling me. Thank you so much. And then I got yarn, yarn. Oh, my Jasper colorway. I needed more yarn, no more of this colorway, um, for my sleeved poncho that I'm doing, that Bag O' Day put out. But I ran out of yarn. I knew I didn't have enough, so I went looking for yarn, but I couldn't find it. I could not find it. So I put a call out on my channel, and Pixie answered the call. And she found this, and she sent it to me. And I asked her how much she wanted for it. I asked her how much she wanted for shipping, and she wouldn't take a cent. Thank you, Pixie. You were so sweet. If I was a crier, I would be crying right now. Seriously, I would be. But I'm not. I'm on meds, so I don't get that emotional too often anymore. As long as I take my meds, I don't cry. But thank you so much. I absolutely love everything. I'm very, very, very lucky to have you as a friend. I really am. And I just want to say thank you again. Um, love everything. This is so super soft. Like really. Like it reminds me to touch it. It reminds me of some of like ice yarns, like Rockstar, Rockabilly, soft like that, slinky. Like that's beautiful. I love that. I love this top. This top is absolutely gorgeous. You did not have to buy me clothes, honey. But thank you so much for these beautiful tops. Like this is absolutely gorgeous. I love that neck, the embroidery around the neck. That is gorgeous. So thank you again. I love it. I'm going to wear it. I will take pictures when I wear it so you see me wearing it. I'll send it to you. You know I will. And my mug. And my mug. Thank you so much. I love this. This is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. I love the fact there's purples in there. You got my favorite colors of Northern Lights in there. Because they can be all colors. I mean, I remember when I was young, I saw reds and purples and oranges and greens and all in the same same northern light, same borealis, and yeah, I don't see so many reds and greens anymore. Well, greens, yes. Um, like pinks and reds, I don't see very often anymore. Maybe it's where I am now. I don't know, but I see purples and blues and greens mostly, predominantly when I see them. I don't go out of my house much, so I miss a lot of things that are in the like night sky, like comets, shooting stars, those meteor showers. I mean, if I'm out and we're having a barbecue or something, or a fire in the backyard, like I'll be out there doing that. But to go out and remember that there's something outside to go take a look at, I'm really bad for that. Just is what it is. So, who wants an update on my sweater? So, I started this sweater a long time ago. It's from uh, the Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. This is her super easy striped sweater, something like that. So, I'm halfway done. It looks huge, I know. Hopefully, hopefully it fits and it's not too big. But I like big sweaters. I do. You know, big, oversized, comfortable sweaters, and this is so soft. In fact, hubby was mentioning earlier, how come your sweater is so much softer than mine? Because I found different yarn when it came time to do mine that I wanted to try, and I found out it was softer. And I still used it. And I don't feel bad. No. Sorry, not sorry. Yeah. There we go. Wild rose red currant and Alaska black tea, forget me not blueberry. I'm gonna try the blueberry. I love blueberries. I do. So thank you for that. And thank you for the wonderful, wonderful note. I love that too. And yeah, my turn to send you something. Mhm. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. Um, this was a very happy mail. Thank you very much, my friend Pixie Stitch and Veronica from Pixie Stitch. And if you don't have her, uh, pick her up. I'll put a link below in the description to her channel. And thank you for watching. Everybody have a great day now. Bye.